So I don't want this to go on too much longer. I think you've gotten the gist of all the sort of power that Shopify can have for you. You can have a website. You don't even need a website. You can just use your Facebook page as the place where you show your products, and then you buy on the website. You can set it up, edit the themes, change things, make it look like what you want it to. Sell one product, sell 1,000, sell 1,000,000. You could just have one for £29 a month or what dollars a month. You can, just have one product that sells a ton, and you'll be flying. So I hope this helped. I've got a free forum if you come to the forum. I don't know if that's the actual forum. It's not. Paul Nicholson here. Free training. Forum.paulnicholson. There will be a Shopify section. I could have just typed it in. Where are you, Shopify? Here we go. Shopify section. I'm going to add this video and split it up into lessons. If you've got any questions like this about Printful, which is where I've just ordered that hat from, you can as well. If you sign up, my link's been in the bottom corner all the way through. pnuk.co/Shopify. That is my partner code, and I get a little bit of commission for getting you to sign up. And as I say, I will provide more training information, more videos, ask any questions. I'm always here to help. Have a great rest of 2019 and all the best for 2020. Thanks for watching.